how much I have earned last week. So let's get into it. 83.95 plus 68.05. So total I have earned $152. The worst case scenario, you can earn $152 from 1 week every week. So let's get into times by 4, because of the 4 weeks is a month, so $608. Not too bad actually. If you can earn without anything, without any hesitation, without any putting your that much effort, just can earn $608 into $120 per dollar, so per 120 taka per dollar, so $72,960 taka for Bangladeshi taka in domination of $608. So this is what you will earn every month, 72,960 taka. So without putting any Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Alino here from aliforex.com. I have come through this video that I realized I should release a video that I'm not doing that for so long. So let's get started here. And as you can see, two of my broker has been opened here. The two window, one is the Bitcoin USD daily and another one is GBP USD H4 chart. But anyway, I just wanna give you my last week profit ratio, what I have earned in the last week. And as you can see here is we end up from $57.30. These are the financing that we end up has been cut from my account, and this is why I don't recommend Wenda to sign in. As you can see, $68.05 has been earned from the Wenda, and from this is XM Global 26, okay, at 83.95. I also have some of them has lost rate is $19 here, $3.47 here. So in total I have earned $83.95 last week. So this was the worst week that I have earned. So let's get calculated of this amount, how much I have earned last week. So let's get into it. 83.95 plus 68.05. So total I have earned $152. The worst case scenario, you can earn $152 from 1 week every week. So let's get into times by 4, because of the 4 weeks is a month, so $608. Not too bad actually. If you can earn without anything, without any hesitation, without any putting your that much effort, just can earn $608 into $120 per dollar, so per 120 taka per dollar, so $72,960 taka for Bangladeshi taka in domination of $608. So this is what you will earn every month, 72,960 taka. So without putting any labor, that much labor and that much exercise, just put into do your research and just put the pending order over there, and it will give you the profit in every week, and just close the profit every week, and you will be able to achieve your goal, financial goal, in every week, every month, every year. And just put in your goal that has been planned. Okay, don't just go and just trade and then put in too much risk into the trade, and then you just keep on monitoring the market. You don't need to monitor the market. Then market will automatically give you the profit if your strategy is perfect and your strategy is standard, then it will give you profit automatically. So some of them has been asking last week that what is my strategy, what is my style of trading. I will say that my style is trading is very simple. I just trade worryless. I don't just look at the market every time, every hour, every minutes. These are the gambling, that type of market execution. I just do my own research and just put them into the pending order. Never ever go for the market order. I understand that you need money, everyone needs money, but don't ever go to force the market and force your price to meet by the market. You just put the pending order, and if the market go there, it will execute and then it will give you profit. If that is not executed, just forget it. There are too many instruments. This is XM Global. I trade, usually there is 25 to 30 trades over 30 instruments over there, and if you go to the weekender, there is about 40 to 45 instruments I do trade. And if you go to the that is called InstaTrader, InstaForex. If you go to the InstaForex, there is more than 1,000. Okay, everything you can trade over there. So you just trade over there, and each of the instruments you can trade if you have the enough fund in your trading account. So don't force the market. Okay, just relax and do the trade in relax mode. This is my strategy. This is my style of trading. I just look at the market once a week, or let's say once a month, or 15 days, 50 once within 15 days. This is what you should do too. Okay, never ever force the market. So let's get promise to me that never ever force the market. Okay, that's it. So bye bye, and see you the next video. Happy trading.